Welcome to Curry TV. What do you do with jackfruit seeds? Is that edible? Is that good for you? Well, absolutely. It's a seasonal fruit, but that doesn't stop you, right? At Asian grocery stores, these are easily available in the frozen section. I'm going to be sharing a recipe which is very traditional to Kerala. It's jackfruit seeds with green mango. It's a stir fry. You know, one of those days when you're so lazy you just don't want to make anything? This is an easy peasy recipe. Let's take a look at all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. We will be cooking this in coconut oil along with mustard, turmeric powder, freshly grated coconut, a few garlic cloves, curry leaves, a handful of pearl onions, as well as the spiciness is going to come from our red chilies. So I got about 4 of those out, and half the quantity of green mango. So how much of a quantity of jackfruit that you're taking, just take the half the green mango that you like to add into this dish, and of course to season this with some salt. Okay, so first off we're going to crush all of this together, and then I will show you how that looks like. Okay, so our fresh ingredients are ready to go. We are going to turn on our stove. Let's pour in a tablespoon of coconut oil. As that heats up, we are going to put about a teaspoon of mustard. Let that do its dance. I'm going to cover this and let that dance in that oil. In the meantime, we'll just prep this. This is already cooked jackfruit seeds, so it doesn't take a whole lot of time to make this dish. Look at this. This is how this will come out. All right, our mustard is done dancing in the oil. We're going to add all our crushed ingredients. Very colorful. All right, let's add a little bit of our turmeric powder, about half a teaspoon. We're going to add our green mango at this time. Okay, to this we're going to add all our jackfruit seeds. To this we're going to add freshly grated coconut. Half cup. Give it a good mix. So green mango is the only thing that really needs to cook because the jackfruit seeds are already cooked. We're going to season this with some salt. Okay. All we got to do is let them get to know each other a bit. So we're going to lower our flame and cover it with the lid for about 4 minutes. Okay, let's take a look. Our dish is ready. That's how simple it is, but really tasty.